This video is a guide and we are using new, clean equipment. You must always refer to the instruction book for safe practices and specific details. Hello, this is another instructional video from HARDI. In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate a hand-operated sprayer. I've seen too many complex calibration methods. This method is probably the best because it's simple and you also calibrate the person. Pesticide application rates are often stated in litres per hectare or gallons per acre. Before you add the pesticide to the sprayer, you need to know the sprayer application rate. This method is really simple. We measure a 1/100th of the area, spray that area, determine how much liquid has gone out, multiply that by 100, and there I have my application rate. How simple is that? I will try and visualize this. This is the area being 1 hectare or 1 acre, divided into 100 pieces. I spray 1/100th of this area and then multiply the liquid used by 100. For metrics, this area is 100 square meters. If you use acres, this is 48 square yards. Before you try this, you need a few things. A clean, well-functioning sprayer filled with clean water, a tape measure, a marking pen, 4 markers, and a flat level surface. A couple of helpful items are a weighted string. It will help you keep the correct nozzle height. The HARDI ABC slide rule. It shows this calibration method. You can download this from our homepage and there is a separate video on this. I'll calibrate this for herbicide, so I'll use the reflex nozzle. It's very good for this because it's got a nice wide angle. I need to check the swath width, but I'll do this on a dry surface. The main variations in application rate are nozzle height and walking speed. A 10 cm change in nozzle height makes a 20% variation in the application rate, and that's a big difference. Use the weighted string to help you keep the correct boom height. It's super low tech, but super effective. The swath measures 1 meter. I therefore need to walk 100 meters to cover 100 square meters. I've measured 50 meters, so I will spray down and back. Okay. Now we need to do a practice run to calibrate ourselves and check the sprayer. Find your comfortable walking speed. You cannot effectively change your speed over a longer period of time. Pump with a comfortable rhythm. You will get tired if you pump too fast, so find that even, comfortable rhythm. The HARDI reflex nozzle operates best at 1 bar. Some sprayers have pressure limiting valves or a pressure gauge to monitor the pressure. If you don't have these, focus on pumping with a comfortable rhythm. Remember your walking and your pumping pace. Now I will mark the level of liquid in the tank. Now I can see actually it's right there. That's my liquid level there. And now I go back and spray the 100 square meters. I have finished the 100 square meter and now back to the level surface. I have used 2.3 litre. So my application rate is 2.3 times 100, which is 230 litres per hectare. I will repeat this to double check the result. Okay, now I have done a few repetitions and I know the application rate of the sprayer. If I'm not happy with this, there's a couple of possibilities. One, I can change the nozzle. The other thing I can do is I can change the distance of the nozzle to the target. If I halve the distance, then I double the application rate. I can also raise the height of the nozzle, but if you do that, be careful of wind drift. Right, now I'm ready to add pesticide to the sprayer and do the spray job. If you use a boom, it is the same procedure. You spray the area and then read off the amount used. You use the same calibration method for trees and bushes. Measure the area, note the water content and spray the trees. I have chosen a hollow cone nozzle, which is best suited to fungicides and insecticides. So there it is, the easiest way to calibrate a hand-operated sprayer and yourself. Go to our homepage if you want to download this HARDI ABC slide rule. I'll do another video on this later on. And of course, you'll find all our instruction books on the homepage too. We hope this guide will help you. For other instructional videos, please go to our YouTube channel.